You've probably been told the same things about skincare. Just use moisturizer, sunscreen, and a gentle cleanser, bro. Here's the part no one speaks about. And the copes avoid all skincare from most popular trendy brands that don't even care to list active percentages, are overpriced, and don't even have actives in the amount for them to even work. Diet is majorly cope. Most people tell you to avoid dairy, fried foods, etc., but those are blanket solutions unless you're actually intolerant or have underlying issues. These barely do anything for your acne. If we talk about some actives, volufiline is the goat of adding volume to your face, though it's quite expensive, and a cheaper alternative is hyaluronic acid. These two add volume, which is essential for not appearing as an old cell. Now, acne is the easiest looksmin to solve it. Use the golden triad: retinoids, antibiotics, and peptides. More on that later. The best way to instantly ascend is makeup. Yes, it's not gay. Yes, it's overpowered. If you can't apply it because mergainous, then that's our mentality. Here are only makeup products. You need concealer. That's one shade brighter than your skin tone, plus a color corrector palette and a primer can instantly fix your acne-ridden face up to 90%. The best retinoids are adipoline and 0.1% tretinoin. However, it's extremely strong and it's recommended to start from 0.025 and work your way up. This legit destroys your acne in just a week of applying after the purging phase is over. Antibiotics include benzoyl peroxide and clindamycin. These make sure you don't get new ones. Now, you might be thinking of collagen peptides on hearing peptides, but those don't do crap for acne. The peptide I'm talking about are GHKCUA. GHKKU is a peptide that is injected and gives much more collagen and benefits than some topically applied peptide serum with a 0.1% absorption, though it's experimental and take it on your own discretion and research. The final important part to max out a skin is coloring. If you're extremely pale, do not tan. At max, use tanning lotions or eat a shit ton of carrots to induce carotenemia. If you tan, then are going to age and cause more harm than good. If you're ethnic or brown-skinned, use lightening products and aim for a rosier complexion, as this is an inherent trait of lighter skin tones, especially Fitzpatrick one. If you have a beard that's even remotely patchy, shave it off. First of all, it blocks product absorption and causes clogged pores, plus ruins coloring. If you follow these tips, science itself guarantees you get that skin you have watched 10 videos prior to this one. Nonetheless, consider subbing for even more detailed guides on entire looks, maxing topics that are not mainstream.